Hello guys. So I've come to realize that the reason why some people are not making money even in this bull run from crypto is because they are holding on to a wrong class of a coin. And if you are just buying a coin without you understanding the reason why you are buying and holding on onto it, you might be setting yourself up for a very great disappointment. That's why I want to take it upon myself to be giving you the names of a coin to buy once in a while after I've done my research on it. So not just about me giving you the name of a coin to buy, but to also let you know the reasons why you should buy and hold this coin. And this is not about day trading or scalping, but it's rather about a coin that you can invest in that can give you 10x, 20x in the future. That will be my focus on this kind of conversation. So today I want to call out a name of a coin that is highly recommended for you to buy, and that is Hive coin. This is Hive coin. So I've studied this coin for a while and I've seen the way it is moving and it is highly recommended. But the question is, why am I saying that you should buy this coin? Why should you even think of investing in this kind of a project? So let's go to our coin market cap and see reasons why this coin is highly recommended for you to buy. So this is our coin market cap and this is Hive price. This is Hive coin. This is Hive coin. So let's see how this Hive coin is doing here and what has happened to it in the past few months or few days. So firstly, this Hive coin is ranked as number 244. Is ranked as number 244 out of over 10,000 cryptocurrency that are listed on CoinMarketCap. So you can see it ranked as number 244 out of all 10,591 active cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap. So it's not at the bottom, it's somewhere around the first 300 coins. Okay, let's move forward. So let's check the total supply of this coin. Let's start from there. The total supply of this coin is that's what total supply of this coin is total supply of this coin is 500 million point 74 thousand. That's total supply of this coin is 500 million 74,000. So you can see that both total supply and circulating supply, they are of the same number, 500 million 74,000. That means that this token, they are not producing more token for this coin. The whole number of this token that will be distributed has already been circulated. There is nothing like they're adding more to this token in the future. No, because total supply and circulating supply, they are of the same number. Hope you can get that. So the next one is excuse me. The next one the next one is the market cap of this coin. Market cap of this coin, that is 280 million point 23 thousand. That's the market cap of this coin. So it's not even yet up to half a billion. There is still high potential if you are buying this coin. 280 million 24,000 is the current market cap of this coin. And another fundamental thing you must also look at when you want to buy any kind of cryptocurrency is the 24-hour volume. This shows how people are interested in trading this coin. Is the volume high or low? So for the 24-hour volume of this coin, we have 391 million 24-hour volume. That's in the last 24 hours. This coin has experienced over 391 million volume. That means a lot of people are interested in this project and it has increased by 198.90%. It shows that people are interested in this project. So these are the kind of fundamental things you must look out for before you buy any project, any coin. Okay, so let's check the more information here. Let's check the all-time high of this project. This is the all-time high of this project. It was $3.42. That was 3 years ago. That is the highest amount that this coin has ever reached was $3.42, and the lowest one was 0.08 cents. That's the lowest amount this coin has ever reached, 0.08 cents. So let's check the market where this coin can be purchased, where this coin can be bought and accessed. So this coin is available on Binance, is available on Orbit, Bitget, Mesk, HTX, Gate.io, BitHub, XT.com. So that shows that this coin is available on a lot of tier 1 exchanges. And once a coin is available for trading in a lot of tier 1 exchanges, that shows that that kind of a coin, it has high potential of what? Of increasing in price, because a lot of people can access and trade it. So guys, these are the reasons why I said you should buy this coin, because it has a very strong fundamental. Look at the circulating supply, look at the market cap, look at the 24-hour volume, and so on. Look at the all-time high. So guys, if you are interested in buying this coin, you can buy it and hold it, because it's going to do a lot. It's going to, it has a lot of potential, and it has a potential of getting increase in price in the future. So that's all about this Hive coin. If you find this video very valuable, kindly like, share and subscribe. I remain your friend, Shina Oladele.